Hey everyone, Jake here from Jake's Aviation, back with another model unboxing and review video. This time we have the JC Wings National Airlines 747-400 in this new updated livery, the white and blue with a little bit of red. Something a little bit different, just trying to build up my cargo fleet. So I've decided to pick up this National Airlines aircraft. Super excited. Let's get right on into it. So here we have the box. Here's the model. JC Wings. Actually, JC Wings like brand new on the box, which is interesting because half the time you can't tell what it is, whether it's JC Wings or Phoenix, honestly. Registration November 756 Charlie Alpha. And yeah, so let's get into it. I'm super excited to have this model. Oh, there it is, looking really nice. Alrighty. Box up here. Back. Something tells me it's gonna sink because this model is pretty heavy. Box isn't. Nice firm plastic. Alrighty. Oh wow, looking really nice. Okay. Alright, there it is. Wow. Okay. Not bad at all. Alright. Alrighty guys, here we have it. November 756 Charlie Alpha. Looking really nice in this new sort of updated National Airlines livery. So yeah, alright, here we go. Starting off here at the front. Adjust the camera a little bit, there we go. Got the cockpit windows and everything looking good there. Obviously this was once a passenger aircraft. I'm not sure who it flew for. I didn't do my research on this aircraft, so that's my bad. But yeah, you can see all the windows are kind of like blocked out on the bottom. This is now a cargo aircraft. But up top there's obviously some windows in that because that's where the crew rest area is and all that fun stuff up there. But yeah, nationalairlines.com, the big national titles across the front here, looking really nice. Sort of blue, shiny blue, honest like color. Looks pretty nice. Obviously, this used to be a passenger aircraft, so you got the L1, L2 door, over the wing exit, which is L3, L4, and then L5 at the back. But you got the cargo door at the back now here, where it's converted, and we delivered the world. Got the registration in the back here. There's no American flag, which is interesting. But it got a lot of other various details. You got the Wi-Fi, well, little antenna box up top there, which I assume used to be Wi-Fi. And you got the antennas on the top and the bottom, which is really nice. You see it right down there as well. The wings and the engines looking really nice. These are the, what engines are these? I should know this. No, not the Rolls Royce. Oh, what are they? Doesn't say on them. I believe these Pratt and Whitney. Maybe. You know what? I could check real quick while we talk about it. Just look up the registration. And 756 Charlie Alpha. I'll go ahead and get some details here on it. Yeah, so it used to be a passenger aircraft for Singapore, then it went to Cathay Cargo, and then now National. And it is powered by Pratt & Whitney, that's right, okay, sweet. So looking really nice there, the wings, good shape, no flex, like crazy flex or anything, looking really nice. Engine seam was slightly, ever so slightly tilted on this side, like tilted up. Or maybe not, no, they're actually pretty good. I think that's just kind of how they are. But looking really nice. Very nice. You got the winglet. I don't know if it's going to focus or not. On the winglet here. Doesn't look like it's going to focus on the winglet, but there's some good detail there on the winglet. The sort of stripes look really nice. It's just a tail design on the winglets. So looking really nice there. You got the tail, obviously very nice, good detail. The horizontal stabilizer and tail fin and everything looking really nice. Spinning it around. Got this side, so you have the cargo doors at the bottom, the lower deck. Got the bulk bin door and the main cargo door. Just kind of moving along. You got the same up front. So very nice model, plain simple, but I like the livery though. The new updated national colors. Very, very nice. Let's take a look at the underneath. Nothing special under here. Gears looking all good. Just a little wonky there, but they're all rolling and tilting and whatnot, so that's probably why. Yeah, good details. I don't see any paint smudges or anything. Taking a look at head on, looks really good. Yeah, a fantastic model from JC Wings. This is a good mold, I think, and I'm pretty happy with it. Looks awesome. So yeah, guys, if I'm not sure where you get this, I forgot where I picked this up from now, because I've had it for quite a while. It's just been sitting around waiting for me to do this video. But anyway, if you can find it, I highly recommend it. I'm kind of slowly just, collecting some of these models. I got a couple. I think this is my second one, or I have another one coming. Yeah, so just kind of building up some of these cargo aircraft, getting some of these like nationals and whatnot. I really do need a Western Global at some point. They're finding those MD-11s and whatnot for good prices pretty hard right now. But yeah, just kind of getting some of these other ones that flying out of LA, and just to have, honestly, just kind of have a unique sort of cargo aircraft fleet. But yeah, anyways, guys, hope you all enjoyed this video. I know it's pretty short, but short and sweet. So stay tuned for more model unboxing and review videos, some other plane spotting content, and some other content actually. And yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. See you guys.